Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot sign in iCloud. So if you're getting this error, could not sign in to iCloud, there was a problem connecting to the Apple ID server or connecting to the server. So if you're getting this type of error in your iPhone iOS 16, it doesn't matter which iPhone you are using, but if you're getting this error, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So what you're gonna need to do is, first of all, you need to restart your iPhone. So by restarting your iPhone, it can fix the problem. You can hold the power button. Also, you can go to general and you will get this shutdown option. So make sure that you restart your iPhone once. It can fix your problem. So if you have resetted your iPhone but it's not working, then the next step is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a working internet connection. Go to YouTube or Safari browser and browse anything, and if it's working, then move to the next step. Turn off the screen time. So if you have turned on the screen time, then go to iPhone setting, click on screen time. So if you have turned on the screen time, make sure that you turn it off. And the next step is go to general, click on date and time, turn off the set automatically, click on time zone. Now select the city or country time zone where are you living right now. So once you have done this, now the last step is go to general and go to software update section. So if there is any update available in your iPhone, make sure that you click on download and install the update. So it will take a few minutes to download the update, depends on your internet connection. So once everything is done, you will be able to sign into your iCloud account without getting any error. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.